So this is what happens when it snows and you have dairy animals via regardless, cow, goat, whatever, sheep. So we have to do water checks every 2 hours because of them freezing. And they have hay down there. And we need to be checking on the baby / teenagers, which are here. How y'all doing? And here. So all of them are fine. And this is about and we still have snow coming down. So this will be the routine for today and tomorrow. No chickens out whatsoever. But now the wind's getting up. So I hope you guys have a good day and stay warm. I just wanted to show you what our life is like here on our little farm.